Well, let's continue looking at some of the benefits that DriedCook offers us. We'll see. This door, which is made of stainless steel, comes with magnets. Therefore, it allows it to be closed and opened very easily. And we will see that it has the bottom here. It usually supplies with a tray that collects dust that may fall from dehydration or that the air may move. In this case, we will see that it has 15 trays. And we can regulate the heights depending on the thickness of the product we want to dehydrate. We could also hang a tray on top and hang with some hooks the type of product, hang like octopus legs, etc., etc., or squid or any type of fish piece that we want to dehydrate vertically. Let's now see that the trays, although sometimes they have to resist some significant weight, another option is to put several trays. In this case, what we will do is cross them. You see they have reinforcements in between. We will put this one here and it is crossed so that it does a little tension, and here we can even put pieces to ferment. As we have explained to you, this thermostat allows you to lead to dehydration. It is very easy to put things or foods that contain a large amount of water and at a lower temperature, leaves or products than in there. In its morphology, it has a small amount of water. According to the more amount of water, the more temperature. But we will also have to change that temperature as the process progresses. As the fruit loses, for example, the orange loses moisture or water. The sugars are concentrated and so on and so on. What you have to do is stop the machine, or without stopping it, reduce the temperature by about 15 to 20 degrees. Therefore, fry at 50 degrees, 45 degrees at lower temperature, longer time. That is true, but we prefer to have a quality product than in a reburnt or brown product. Let's say O twisted, you can also ferment dough. But what happens to the currents? The currents of the dehydrator, which causes the fermentation of the dough to be affected. What we do is we put it in a tupper with holes, and we'll put the dough box here to ferment at that temperature, and we can use the dehydrator as a fermenter. Just as we have fermented dough, we boil the dehydrator like zero yogurt. I have already explained to you that it fits more than 200 yogurts. We can refill yogurt. With fruit and pectin, which we can have made with a runner or with 1.1 jam machine or any jam, and then fill with our goat's milk or sheep's milk or cow's milk with some type of ferment, with a coagulant, or with a mixed with yogurt, or make salted yogurt. You can also make foie gras yogurt, mussel yogurt, etc., etc. In fact, yogurt is neither salty nor diverse.